Hey, if you want to get Apple layout keyboard on your POCO M6 Pro, all you have to do is just open the Play Store, then click on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. We will have to get actually this application, so click to install. And now just wait for the downloading process. Now click open, click to enable in the settings. From here, click on the enable green Apple keyboard, click OK. We'll have to actually reboot. So after reboot, this application won't start, so we have to click OK. Click to switch input methods, switch to English, to the green Apple keyboard. And now when I open the keyboard, you can actually find the Apple layout keyboard on our POCO M6 Pro. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.